Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Google Assistant on your LG Q6. First of all, need to update your Google application using by Play Store Market. So go into Play Store, enter in search Google, and then choose this application of Google. Update this application and then open this. Now in the Google application in the right corner, click More. After that, go into Settings, then choose Google Assistant, and then scroll down and find General option. And now press Turn on. Turn on Google Assistant, yes, turn on, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.